Dear friends, last video we have seen how to create Google Classroom in desktop version and how to add students and how to add teachers. In this video, we are going to see how to add the content or course material to the topic for the particular classroom. So, now open your Google Classroom which you have already created and get inside the classroom. Then go to the classwork option. After going to the classwork, then click here the create button. First of all, we have to create the unit for the topic of our subject. So just you click topic option. It will be pop-up window to give the name of the topic. Here I am giving unit 1 and press add button. Similarly, I can add more topic to my classroom. I am adding unit 2. Again unit 3 and so on. So similarly you can add as many topics for your particular subject. Next we are going to see how to add the materials to your classroom of the particular subject. So click the create button, go to the material, click on material. When you click on material, you can see this page. You have to give the title name for the material and the description of the material. The description is optional. Now I am going to give here the title as IoT and the description is Introduction of IoT. Introduction of IoT. Okay. The most important thing is how to add the material. For example, see here there are the two options. One is add and another one is create. First option, the first one is to add the content by using Google Drive, link or file or YouTube. Second thing is you can create your assignment or notes dynamically by Google Doc, Google Slide, Sheets, Drawing and Form. I will show you the two methods one by one. Now we are going to see how to add the content by using Google Drive. I am going to upload from the Google Drive. So click any one of the document from Google Drive. I am clicking this PPT from my Google Drive. Then just you upload it. Likewise, second option is link. You can add the external link by using this link option. So here you can add the link. Here you can give a link of the YouTube or other video that you want to add. Then the third option is you can add this file from your local system. Just click on this file and select file from your device. After that, it will be redirected to your local system. From that, you can select any file like a Word file or PPT file or video file which you want to upload. Here I am selecting all the three files, that is Word file, document, PPT and video file, and just click upload. Now it will start uploading your content to the course material. Once it is finished, we can see all these uploaded files in our Google Classroom. It is still uploading. Okay. See here. Yeah, it will get uploaded. You can see all the uploaded files from Google Drive and your file system. Very good. Next one, the fourth option is YouTube. So you can directly upload the video from YouTube. Just you search the video as you search normally. Now I am searching my video, IoT videos. Choose any one of this video and just you can upload the video. So YouTube video will be uploaded successfully. In this way, you can upload your content or course material in your Google Classroom. Now, the second method. The second method is you can dynamically create the content by use this create button. Just press on the create. Now it's up to you what you want to create. Whether you want to create a document file or slide PPT file, Excel sheet or drawing or forms. This is purely depends on the teacher. For example, if you want to create the document file, I just click the document file. It will be redirected to the Google document file. Now, here you can create your own notes to the students. Just I am writing, dear students, go through the unit 1. Okay. And here you can rename the document. For example, if you want to rename the document, just click on this option and you can write anything that you want to name. I am writing here Intro IoT and just close the file. It will be saved automatically. There is no need to save the document file. Similarly, you can add slide for PPT, you can add your Excel sheet and create your Google form and dynamic way. Now, after creating this, it should be comes under a particular title. So, you have to select the topic under which you want to add this content. For that, you are going to click on the topic option and select the unit 1 where you want to content comes under. Once you did all these steps, you just click on the post option. It is posting your content under unit 1. See here, now it has been uploaded successfully. See your material by clicking on unit 1. All the contents will be displayed here. In this way, you can upload the scheduled material into each and every topic. Remaining we will see in the next video. Thank you.